Hello everyone, I am Arun from KIT University, Odisha, India. This is our paper title, Enhanced Digital Watermarking Scheme Using Fractal Images in Wavelets. This is our outline which I am going to cover. First, introduction, literature survey, background, proposed algorithm, result analysis, conclusion, and references. Introduction. Uh, Today, copyright protection is a major concern in digital data transmission over public channel. Digital watermarking solves the problems of several threats and protect the digital data from being altered. It also provides copyright protection to avoid illegal modification of digital data. A digital watermarking algorithm based on fractal images and discrete wavelet transform domain for color images has been proposed in our paper. The proposed algorithm can be used in case of robustness and imperceptibility requirement of the watermark. These are the properties of watermark. The main concern basically on two properties, imperceptibility and robustness. Imperceptibility means when we embed the information in the cover image, the visible quality will not be distorted. And the robustness means watermark must be recovered even though cover image get distorted. These are the literature survey which we have gone through. Uh, this is the background. First, talk about the fractal image and the fractal codes. The term fractal was first used by great mathematician Benoit Mandelbrot in 1975. He based it on Latin word fractus, meaning fractured, which means fractional dimension of symmetric pattern. The fractal is generated by using one or more affine transformation to be called recursively. Each here the here is the formula by which we can map map the previous point to the next point. Here a to d are the multiplicative factor and e and f are the additive factors, and x and yn are the previous point and xn plus 1 and yn plus 1 is our next point, and this method is called iterated function system. Let's talk about the DWT technique. DWT is commonly used technique for transformation of digital image into frequency domain. The DWT divides the signal into high and low frequency. The high frequency contains the outline texture information, and the low frequency is further processed to generate high and low frequency parts. Image is represented in columns and rows. DWT is applied column wise first in the image, followed by row wise to form different subbands of the images. Analysis filter is used for the decomposition of the frequency domain, and the synthesis filter is used to reconstruct the decomposed frequency signal. After first level of decomposition, four frequency band form low low, low high, high low, and high high. The second level decomposition is applied to the low low band to current decomposition stage. It can be applied recursively on the low frequency band for n level decomposition. And here LL means low pass filter horizontally and the low pass filter vertically. Similarly for all of them. Proposed algorithm. Our proposed algorithm contains three steps. First one is watermark image construction. This is the MATLAB code or fractal code. By running it, it will generate the fractal image. And this is the original watermark, which is fractal image with bit type 24, size of 512 into 512, and its name is Daisy Spiral. But instead of using this image, we convert it into fractal code and convert that code into binary image with bit type 1, which is much lesser in size as compared to the original watermark image. Second step, embedding. First took the color cover image, and separate it into its grayscale equivalent of RGB component, and took the fractal code binary image. These all three images are similar. To increase the robustness of the algorithm, even one of the grayscale equivalent get distorted, then we can generate our watermark image from the other and apply DWT on cover image grayscale equivalent of RGB component, and then embed the watermark image. One bit of the watermark embed into the 1 byte of the cover image, and after applying embedding, then apply inverse DW to reconstruct the image. And after getting embed cover image for each of them, then concatenate all the three to generate the final embed cover image. For the extraction process, first took the final embed cover image and then separate all the three to its equivalent RGB component, and then apply DWT, then extract the watermark image, and then convert that binary image to its respective code. And after running any code from all of the code, it will generate the fractal image, which is our original watermark with bit depth 24. For the result analysis, we have taken rosegarden.png with bit depth 24, size of 1024 into 1024, and then separate it into its grayscale equivalent of RGB component. And you can see the C part fractal image, which is our original watermark, but instead of using this image, we convert it into code, and then convert that code into binary image, which is much lesser in the size with bit depth 1. Here bit depth means the size of the bit what the pixel contain. Here this is the binary image. This is the image which is embedded to all of the three grayscale equivalents, and the image E shows the embedding cover images for RGB component after applying DWT and IDWT. And after getting embed cover image, then apply concatenation to all of the three to generate the final embedded cover image. Similarly, for the extraction, we took the final embedded cover image, then separated it into its grayscale equivalent of RGB component, and then extract the watermark image, and then convert that binary image to fractal code, and running that code, it will generate the fractal image. This is the specification what we have used: MATLAB 2012 and operating system Windows 7, 8GB RAM, Intel Core TM i5 processor. For the evaluation, we calculate PSNR value, which shows the quality of the original cover image and the embedded cover image. And we have calculated NC value to evaluate the quality of the extracted watermark. And we have got PSNR for red 45.13, and for green 43.36, and for blue 39.25, which is more than 30 is acceptable. And we have got NC value closer to 1, which shows the extracted watermark is very similar to the original watermark. And at final come to the conclusion: the hiding of code into individual grayscale equivalents of RGB component of color image separately is increasing the secrecy and robustness of the algorithm. We found values greater than 30 decibel and NC value closer to 1, which denotes the robustness of proposed algorithm. Thus, we can conclude that it shows the effectiveness of algorithm to hide fractal codes in color cover images. Our future work includes generation of fractal codes of images of all the images to make it more effective and increase the usability of our algorithm. These are the references what we have gone through.